Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this nice algebraic equation. The equation we have x plus 2 whole to the power of 6 is equals to 5 to the power of 6. Here we need to find out the value of x. So let's start the solution. The first step, I will going to take this 5 to the power of 6 to the left hand side. So x plus 2 and whole to the power of 6 minus 5 to the power of 6 is equals to 0. Now we're going to split the power here. X plus 2 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 2 minus 5 to the power of this I will going to split 3 and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 0. Now here I'm going to apply the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So here the a value we have, that is x plus 2 whole to the power of 3, and b we have 5 to the power of 3. Now I will going to write this expression in this form. Root x plus 2 whole to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3. And then x plus 2 whole to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3. Bracket close is equals to 0. Now here I will going to apply another algebraic identity, that is a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Here I will going to apply this formula, and this is our a and this is our b value. So I'm going to solve it out this first expression. A value we have, that is x plus 2 bracket and this positive sign, and the b value we have, that is 5. Now I'm going to write this one. So for that I'm going to write the square of this. So x plus 2 and whole to the power of 2 minus, and a value we have x plus 2 and b we have 5 plus 5 square bracket close is equals to 0. Now we are going to add this, so this will be equals to x plus 7 bracket, and now here I was going to apply another algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole to the power of 2 is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is our a and this is our b value. X square and plus 4x plus 4. And here I will going to multiply this 5 with this whole bracket. So I will get 5x and 5 2 times 10. And here 5 times give us 25. Now I will going to solve the like terms here now. X plus 7 bracket x square, and so here I will get the minus x, and here this and this I'm going to solve. So minus 10 and plus 4 is equals to minus 6, and 25 minus 6 is equals to positive 19 is equals to 0. Now here we get the two solutions. X plus 7 is equals to 0 here, so x is equals to minus 7. I will going to solve this next case. So x square minus x plus 19, that is the quadratic equation. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula here. X square minus x plus 19 is equals to 0. Here we have the a, b, and c value. And the formula we have x is equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now, I was going to plug in the ABC's value here. X is equals to the b value we have -1 plus minus root -1 whole square minus 4 positive 1 19 bracket close over 2 and a we have 1. Now we're going to solve it out. X is equals to minus minus plus minus, and this will be equals to positive 1 and 419 times give us 76 over 2, and here x is equals to 1 plus minus, and I will get here minus 75 over 2. X is equals to, I will get 1 and plus minus. This I will going to separate from this negative sign, so we're going to express this 75 times -1 over 2, and I'm going to split this. I'm going to write x is equals to 1 plus minus root 25 times 3 give us 75 times -1 over 2. Now here I'm going to apply the radical rule, that is n root a times b is equals to n root of a times n root of b. So here I'm going to express this separately. X is equals to 1 plus minus, and the root of 25 we know that is 5, and root of 3 I'm going to keep within the root times root -1 over 2. Now the value of root -1 is equals to iota, the imaginary number, so I'm going to plug in here. X is equals to 1 plus minus 5 root of 3 iota over 2. So this is our another x value. Now I will going to solve it out this now. Here I will going to apply the same algebraic identity but for the negative sign. The second case we have x plus 2 whole to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 bracket is equals to 0. Now I'm going to apply here the algebraic identity, that is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This is our a and this is our b value here. X plus 2 and the negative sign I'm going to write, and this is our b value. And here I'm going to put the square on the a value plus a we have x plus 2 and b we have 5 positive and 5 square bracket close is equals to 0. Now we are going to solve this. So x minus 3, and here I'm going to solve this by algebraic identity, that is x square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is our a and b. X square plus b square is equals to 4 plus 2. Our a is x and b is 2. And this 5 I'm going to multiply with this. So here I will get 5x and plus 10. And this 5 times divides 25 is equals to 0. And here x minus 3. And this I'm going to solve it out, and I'm going to collect the like term here. This will be equals to 4x plus 5x. This will be equals to 35 bracket is equals to 0. Now I'm going to simplify it further. X minus 3 bracket x square, and this plus 4x and plus 5x is equals to plus 9x, and this equals to plus 39. Bracket close is equals to 0. Here again we get the two cases. The first we have x minus 3 is equals to 0. So here x is equals to 3. Now are we going to solve this quadratic equation? X square plus 9x plus 39 is equals to 0. And the a value we have, that is 1, b is 9, and c is 39. And the formula for the quadratic equation we have now. I'm going to plug in the ABC's value. X is equals to b we have positive 9 plus minus root 9 square minus 4, 1, and c is 39 over 2 and 1. So here x is equals to negative 9 plus minus, and 9 times give us 81, and 439 times give us 156 over 2. And here this will be equals to x is equals to minus 9 plus minus root negative 75 over 2. Now again I'm going to separate this negative sign. So I'm going to express this in this form. 75 times negative 1 over 2. Now I'm going to express this 75 in this form. X is equals to minus 9 plus minus root 25 times 3 times negative 1 over 2. Now by using the radical property, I am going to write this root of 25 we have 5, and root of 3 I am going to write within the root times root negative 1 over 2. So here this will be equals to x is equals to negative 9 plus minus, and this 5 root 3 iota over 2. So here we get the 6x values. X1 we have, that is negative 7. X2 we have plus 5 root 3 iota over 2. X3 we have 1 minus 5 root 3 iota over 2. And the fourth one we have, that is 3. And the fifth one we have minus 9 plus 5 root 3 iota over 2. And the sixth one we have minus 9 minus 5 root 3 iota over 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.